What is up guys, it's me Master Tech and this is Windows 10 Project Spartan. So let's begin the review and full tour of this. So here is the Project Spartan. If you did not find here, then you can go to start and click on all apps, and then the name is Project Spartan. So search for P and let's look out here, P Project Spartan here. So let's click it and let's see how it's working. So here is the login, my ID in my Google account. So here's the new tab option we can use to open many tabs, so open many web pages at a time. Let's see how much is going fast. It's working smooth and butterly smooth, loading very fast. Let's open another website. It's working very fast. Actually, it is a project, it is not a full version. It will become later, a few days when Windows 10 comes. So but right clicking on option, we see we can move to a new window, but we cannot drag back it to the previous window. That's the main problem. So if you move to another window, you cannot revert back to your previous window. So the main issue. So it will be actually solved in the next update, because it is a project, it is not completed yet. It is a preview of this. So here's the back button, here's the front button. Here means forward, it is to refresh the web browser, to lock the website. If I trust this website, I can make the server secure here. So let's move to the right side. Now here we can add it to bookmark. Here the bookmark option, we can add it, and here the reading list. Another option is the favorites. We are the bookmarks, and we can see the history, but we cannot see history because it's not yet updated and things are not ready. As I already told you, that is the project is not completed yet. So the download, we have not downloaded anything, so we can see this. The reading list about the article we can save later. So here's the very cool thing. Here we can write anything on the web page. On the first option, we can choose any color. So let's choose the orange and let's type. I'm typing with the mouse. Google. Type my tech. So another thing, the highlighter. You can highlight anything you want to read later. Actually, so you want to show another one that this is very important and is the main thing, so you can highlight it. And here the eraser, but it's not working like this. But if you right click on clear all, then you can clear. So the fourth option is writing anything about it. So when clicking with any point, now we can add some notes about this. Here's the worldwide, okay. And now we can add another one, but when we're dragging it, moves to the final position. It's not dragging it with the mouse when I'm dragging it. So it's also not so smooth in moving the notes here and there. So this is the main issue, I think so. So here's the cut option. We can take a snapshot, take a picture out of the anything we want to. Select all. Okay, here is selecting the whole web page. We can ask for Cortana, but Cortana is not available for this right now. It's not fully updated. So here's the copy button. We can copy the picture and we can open the paint. Let's open paint and we can paste that picture here. Okay, you can see that we can paste it. There is an option, we can share this page and we can save it. The reading list we can read later. Offline reading, it's offline reading, we can read later. Okay, the favorite bar we can add it. So let's in the share button, we can share this web page with among friends, but it is not, we can't share it right now because it is not fully updated. I've already told you. So the exit button. So there are not so much option, but now let's see the settings. Okay, here we can choose new window, and another thing is zoom out, zoom in. Here the full screen we can view, and by clicking again we can eject back, and the share is the shortcut key on the top side, and here the developer tools. So if you are a developer, you can add it to the coding and you can understand it carefully. You can change anything if you know that. Without having knowledge about this, don't change anything option. Don't change any option if you don't know, because the developer understand the code actually meaning about anything, and the emulation the normal people can understand. So I am showing only this, the GPS system location tagging about to track our location. So let's close this. So here the main thing is to give feedback. We can give a feedback to the to the Microsoft about how this browser performed. About any problem is in the URL or in the browser, we can request about a problem, or we can give a suggestion also to change it so it is not good. That is tab we cannot drag back to the window. The main problem is that. Another thing is that I'm not found any home button, shortcut home key. I cannot go back to the home shortcut key when I want to go there. If I choose a home, I am on any website, so I will click on the home key on the shortcuts. Then there are the feedback options, or there are address URLs, the side by option of the home shortcut, and I will go back there. If I choose my home page Google, I click on it and I'm redirected to Google. But there is no I can't see any home button option. It's the main thing problem. But here we can change the color, light, dark. We want to change the font size if we don't like. Here is the problem. These are very small things, and very few features are there because it is not fully updated. It is not completed right now. Another thing is that it is not problem also in Windows, but in other also files like I'm showing you. So we cannot drag it to the 1/4 size of the screen. We cannot change like this. So I'm closing it. It is not changing to 1/4 size, so it's the main biggest problem. So there are some cons of this browser which I'm showing now. There are two cons are like it. No shortcut home button, can resize it to 1/4 size part of the window. Thanks for watching guys. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up below, subscribe the channel. You can follow us on Twitter, Facebook. I will catch you guys in the next one.